guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing Pinterest DIYs tested, and let me tell you, I tested them. So this kind of turned into a little bit of a hybrid, so it was kind of like home decor originally, and then I just didn't have enough ideas and I didn't find enough things on Pinterest. So honestly, if you find Pinterest hacks that you want tested, tell me down below so I can test them for you. So then it kind of snowballed into like life hacks from Pinterest tested, and then just a random DIY that I wanted to do. Do you see my cat's tail? So if you haven't watched my video recently, you should. But I just gave my kitchen a makeover, turned the tables a little bit. And so I needed new decor for my kitchen. I never really wanted to truly decorate in there because I did not like it at all. It was bland, it was gross, it was ugh. And so I found this one on Pinterest, and it was where you just take like letters and paint them. Now in the picture they're like a very, you know, silvery modern color. I wanted a color, it's called khaki, to match my kitchen and my countertop. So that is what I did, and I'm super obsessed with like what it looked like on Pinterest. So I really wanted to give this a try. I've been thinking about it forever. So what I did is I just found these letters at Walmart. I believe they were like $1.77 a piece, and I found the paint, which was roughly around $1 to $2 as well, and I painted them. I had to end up giving them 2 coats, but after 2 coats they were totally covered and there were no, you know, original of wood seeping through. I actually really like the way that these turned out. I think that they will look really better hung on the wall, but I just could not nail, like with hammer and nail, through these wood signs. It just wasn't happening. So we're gonna have to drill a hole through them and hang them that way, but I do kind of like how it's abstract-y, and I only want them a few inches higher than where they're laying right now. And I just think that they will be really pretty and just bring out pops of color from the countertop because it matches very well. And I'm happy. This one totally turned out super good. It was super cheap, super easy. This next one is a paper towel holder that I've had forever. I can't remember if I just like inherited it from my sister when she decided to get something else, or if I found it at a garage sale, or if she bought it for me. I don't really know how I acquired this piece. Oh no, I think I bought it at one of my friend's garage sales, and it just doesn't go with the vibe of the kitchen anymore. So I painted it the exact same color as the eat that I painted, the khaki, and it turned out fine. Turned out fine. It took quite a bit of coats to cover it, and it didn't really cover it as well as I would have liked it, but quite frankly, it was 25 cents, and I mean, it's not like there was love lost with this project. So then this next one, true hybrid. It is from Pinterest, but it's not like home decor, which was the original theme of this video. So what this is just kind of like a life hack where you're creating more storage in your drawer by hanging these items on your cabinet doors. So I got some like command hooks, and they were for like $5, I think. There wasn't an off-brand version of that. What that was, guys. There wasn't an off-brand version of these, and I mean, command is fine. So I struggled quite a bit putting this on my door, and there is a dip on it, and I think that that plays a huge part in this as well. But other than that, it was just really hard to like make the hole for it and get it to stay in the hole. The one that I have, the wax paper, the first one you saw me put up, stays up there fine. But that's because it's super tight, and I don't know how I'm going to get that box out once I use it all. The other one, the plastic wrap, I tried to do looser so I could interchange it because that one was really tore up. So you could easily just like take out the roll and put in a new roll, but since that box is so tore up, I wanted to replace it eventually. That thing, it just keeps falling. She just falls all the time, and I've gotten so mad I just put it back in the counter because I filled up my drawer with other stuff, and it's just not working with this. The foil, it was all beat up, didn't stay, would not work. I lost one of my command things. This was a fail, but I don't know if it was more of me failing or the idea failing. I've seen ones where it's like an actual rod. That would work better. I need to find those. So then next up is the last home decor item DIY that I did. And I saw this on Pinterest a lot, and I thought it was really cute. And I have an obsession with candles, so might as well use the empty ones for something good around the house. So what you do is you take, your all used up candle. Pretty much what I do is when there's about ½ inch left and there's not a lot of scent left to it is when I decide that it's done. So you put it in the freezer, and honestly you can put it in there for probably, I would suggest, about 5 hours at least, but if you really want to be safe, overnight. And what you can do is after it's frozen, you just pop it out with your knife, and it literally just comes out in one piece, the rest of the candle, and that works great. So then from there, you let it soak in super hot water, probably for like 30 minutes or so you can easily take off any of the stickers that are on there and any of that jazz, and then you wash it so it's nice and clear again, because this one in particular that I'm showing you is super burnt looking, but all of that comes off. So after that, you get these little knobs. They're like, cabinet knobs. And you find them wherever, a Home Depot store, a Lowe's store. I got mine from Lowe's. They were only like $2.77, I think. And you hot glue that to the lid. There you go. So now you have these little things that you can just store stuff in, and I plan on storing cotton balls and Q-tips, and I'm going to show you like how I have them stored now versus after this DIY project. So quite honestly, because I'm going to be honest, as I'm sitting here, I have not done this project. My current worry, I'm about to go do it, but my current worry is that the hot glue gun, the glue isn't going to be strong enough to hold that knob over a long period of time. But we will see, and future Danielle that's editing this will have to tell us all if it worked or not. So as predicted, this did come off, and I re-glued it back on, and after a couple of times it came off again. So honestly, I think it's because of the suction from the lid, since there is like that plastic stuff in there keeping the lid nice and tight.
So I'm going to retry it and maybe just glue them back on and only open it from touching the lid and not the knob.
But that is everything for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this new style of videos. I'm so excited to be doing this stuff, and quite frankly, like it's been only like a week, but it is already just making me so much more excited. Like, I just feel so inspired more than what I was feeling, and that is a great feeling, and I'm so excited, and I hope that you guys are excited here right along with me. And if you are, if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up so that I know and can keep doing them. I don't want to do something that you don't like. And then please don't forget to comment down below what DIY from Pinterest you would like to see me test, because I need some ideas right now. This Danielle right here doesn't have a lot. And I also want to do things that you guys want to see tested. I just don't want to do like a bunch of random testing that you guys don't even care about. Please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that little notification bell. You can hit it for never, sometimes, and always. I suggest always, of course. And that way you will actually see my videos, because if you don't have notifications on, you will not see it on your regular feed. So you won't even know that I've posted unless you go to my page and see that I have posted a new video. So just turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any single upload that I do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!